you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold.
All you have to do is stay a minute, just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay. Stay a minute, just take your time. The clock is ticking, so stay. All you have to do is wait a second. Your hands on mine. The clock is ticking, so stay.
Cause I don't care. You're making me. I know you ain't afraid of my feelings. Baby, I know you ain't scared to catch feels with me.
Hey now, of course it's me, because you know that you will. Oh, you buy your friend like chocolate. You say to me, go, and nobody know. We're gonna sit under our petticoat. No, we're never gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no. No one run away from the boys in the blue. Oh, my car smells like chocolate. And now I think about what you do. I think about what you say. Think about how you think. Pause it, play it, pause it, play it, pause it. Oh, we go, and nobody know. We're gonna sit under our petticoat. No, we're never gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no. Yeah, we're dressed in black from head to toe. We got guns sitting under our petticoat. No, we're never gonna quit it, no, we're never gonna quit it, no.
I have this thing where I get older, but just never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons. When my depression works the graveyard shift, all of the people I've ghosted stand there in the room. I should not be left to my own devices.
Welcome, families, friends, guests, and graduates to today's Convocation ceremony at Desert Financial Arena. Floor access is restricted to graduates, working staff, and essential personnel. At the close of today's ceremony, we ask that for your safety and the safety of everyone, you meet your graduate outside the venue at a pre-designated area away from the building. We ask that at this time you begin making your way towards your seat as this ceremony will begin in 15 minutes. On behalf of Arizona State University, congratulations, graduates. University commencement, convocation ceremonies, and celebrations are special events for all involved. Please show respect for everyone who has come to share in the experience. Individuals who engage in inappropriate or disruptive behavior will be removed from the event. Welcome to Desert Financial Arena, home of the Arizona State Sun Devils. Your safety is our #1 concern. In the event of an emergency that we must evacuate the arena, here is our evacuation plan. If you are seated in the courtside seats or in the bottom half of sections C through J and Q through W, please walk down the aisle to enter the court. Walk along the edge of the court as you proceed out the west tunnel and then continue away from the arena. If you are seated in sections A through Z or the upper half of sections C through J and Q through W, please walk up the aisle and onto the main concourse area. Proceed out the nearest unobstructed exit on the north, south, east, or west ends and continue away from the arena. Those who are seated in the upper bowl, sections A1 through Z1, walk down the aisle onto the main concourse, proceed out the nearest unobstructed exit on the north, south, east, or west ends and continue away from the arena. Please follow the directions of law enforcement and event staff who will be available to assist you as you exit the arena calmly and safely. This has been our evacuation plan for Desert Financial Arena. Thank you for being prepared in advance to respond calmly in the event of an emergency. Enjoy the event and thank you.
Nobody compares to you. Nobody compares to you. Nobody compares to you. What should I do? Maybe I'll move away. I could have anyone I
tell you.
Welcome, families, friends, guests, and graduates to today's Convocation ceremony at Desert Financial Arena. Floor access is restricted to graduates, working staff, and essential personnel. At the close of today's ceremony, we ask that for your safety and the safety of everyone, you meet your graduate outside the venue at a pre-designated area away from the building. We ask that at this time you please take your seat as this ceremony will begin in 5 minutes. On behalf of Arizona State University, congratulations, graduates. University commencement, convocation ceremonies, and celebrations are special events for all involved. Please show respect for everyone who has come to share in the experience. Individuals who engage in inappropriate or disruptive behavior will be removed from the event.
Hi, Michael Crow here, president of ASU. If you're sitting and watching this video, that means you're at an ASU convocation. We have the 2 formal graduations, undergraduates and graduate students, and then our colleges all have convocations, and then we have lots of celebrations and lots of special events. I just want to say, since many of you did not come to graduation, that I want to give you my own offerings of congratulations. I want to say that I hope that you thank your families, the others that helped you to get here, your fellow citizens that helped you to be able to have access to such a university, all the things that are going on. This is really a moment for you to be thankful to others. It might be hard to see that given everything that you've been through, but it's really, really important that you do that. I want to also make sure that you take on some burden of responsibility. You're a privileged individual, privileged enough to come to a university, finish a university, move on with your life. You've been empowered to be, as much as what we can presently do, a master learner. You've been empowered to take on new challenges, new problems, create new opportunities, create new outcomes, create new pathways for our society. I just want you to take the spirit of ASU, this institution which is built around the idea of inclusion and inclusive success. We measure ourselves based on who we include versus who we exclude and how they succeed. We take on research that benefits the public. We take on challenges that our communities are facing. Each of you should be embracing a part of that as a part of your life going forward also, so I hope that you're able to do that. You're not separating from ASU, you're just moving on to the next role of your life, the next period of your life. We hope that you stay connected to us. We hope that you stay a universal learner for the rest of your life and that you call upon us often to be helpful to you as you're going through these learning challenges and learning opportunities. And mostly, I just want to say congratulations to you and to your family, and best of luck, and go Sun Devils.
Arizona State University is located in Indian Country. There are 22 tribal nations in Arizona. ASU's campuses are situated on the homelands of many indigenous peoples, including the Akimel, O'odham, and Peepash.
Arizona State University recognizes the original inhabitants of these lands
and recognizes that they still reside throughout the Phoenix metropolitan area.
And we recognize the impact of their wisdom and generosity towards us.
If you've flown into the valley, you have undoubtedly seen the Salt River Project canals that surround the area.
Those modern-day canals follow the framework of the canals originally constructed by ancestral Sonoran Desert people, Huhukam, to make this area both livable and a place where peoples could thrive.
We acknowledge that the modern-day indigenous nations that descended from the ancestral peoples are the original inhabitants of this land.
My name is Shreya Maria, and I'm getting my master's in computer science from the IRA Fulton Schools of Engineering. I decided to study at ASU because of the ample career growth opportunities that ASU offered. I got involved with ASU starting my senior year of high school through the See at ASU camp, and through there I learned about all the career opportunities, the career fairs, all those sort of things that I thought would be a good part of my journey here. Outside of the classroom, I'm an avid dancer. I joined a dance club here at ASU that did K-pop covers as well as hip-hop related dance performances that I got to perform at many events here at ASU, such as Culture Fest, International Night. So it helped me get more involved within the classroom and outside of the classroom. Getting involved through all the student organizations, which I got involved in many during my time at ASU, was really, really fulfilling. It really helped me grow as a person and grow professionally. It made me more confident, and I got to make a lot of connections that I will carry on throughout my entire life. ASU helped me prepare for my future by providing a lot of career support systems, such as the ASU Career Services Center, which I use to screen my resume, get pointers, and see how I can improve on when I start applying to these jobs and internships.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's split it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my god. Jump out that sofa. Let's kick it off.
Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, it was all pretend. Yeah, since you've been gone for a long time, and all you ever hear is
The Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering Alumni Chapter now wishes to share a few messages for the class of 2026.
Congratulations, graduates from Honeywell Aerospace.
Congratulations, graduates!
Congratulations, Sun Devils, with everything that you have learned, the experiences you've made, the people that you've met. Take that with you as you move forward, and you're going to have nothing but success.
Congratulations, graduates. You made it. Your hard work has finally paid off. But your journey does not end here, and neither should your commitment to ASU. I encourage you to stay connected to the Alumni Association, and especially our ASU Engineering Alumni Chapter, where you can help the next batch of engineering students reach their graduation date as well. But above all, remember, go Devils!
Go Devils! Go Devils!
Let's go, Devils.
Go Devils!
Welcome to the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering Maroon Graduate Convocation. Please stand as we begin the ceremony. Entering the arena first are graduates carrying gonfalons representing the 4 schools within the Fulton Schools of Engineering being recognized in today's ceremony. This convocation honors graduates in the School of Electrical, Computer, and Energy Engineering, the School for Engineering of Matter, Transport, and Energy, the School of Sustainable Engineering and the Built Environment, and the Polytechnic School. They are led by Allison McMinn, carrying the Fulton Schools of Engineering Gonfalon. Please be seated. The ceremonial lightsaber is presented by Padawan Sparky the Sun Devil and escorted by AZ Saber. The AZ Saber Student Organization is a combat and gaming group that teaches lightsaber swordsmanship and choreography to ASU Jedi. Our ceremony officially begins with the placing of the sacred ceremonial lightsaber, which in Fulton School's lore dates back to the era of the slide rule. Performing this ritual is Padawan Sparky. to lead the ceremony, Dr. Kyle Squires, Senior Vice Provost for Engineering, Computing, and Technology at ASU, Vice Provost of the Polytechnic Campus, and Dean of the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering.
Good morning. It's awfully early. We do have a question. We'll start with our students. Are you actually ready to graduate? Totally lame. Let's try that again. To our students, are you ready to graduate? So, and to all the family and friends who've come here to also celebrate, could I please hear from you? Would you like to see them graduate? Okay, that is excellent, so let's keep that up. So good morning. Welcome to our Fulton Schools of Engineering Maroon Graduate Convocation Ceremony. This is the first of many convocations for this week. The first meaning the best students, the best faculty, the best staff. So we do want to, again, welcome and congratulate our graduates today. Thank our faculty and staff for all that you've done being here today, but also throughout their journey. And again, welcome to our family and friends. So in this ceremony, we celebrate graduates earning their master's and doctoral degrees. We recognize your hard work, determination, and growth in the Fulton Schools of Engineering. Now, our faculty and staff have been part of your journey in the classroom, the lab, collaborating with peers, and innovating in ways that embody our values. And these values are important to us: excellence, innovation, bold thinking, collaboration, and inclusion. Now, it is true that you are graduating at a moment when the world around is changing quickly. And of course, we're referring to AI. It's changing the way we work, learn, design, discover, and solve problems. And while there is uncertainty for our graduates, in fact, this is a moment of new opportunity, something to understand, embrace, to guide, and use responsibly. AI is an extraordinary tool. It helps us test ideas, accelerate discoveries. I'm sure you used it in your courses and research. But we have learned some things. It does not replace the expertise you have spent years developing. It doesn't replace your judgment. It doesn't replace the ethical use of such tools. And it also does not replace the discipline that you brought to this arena today. Now, Harrison Ford on Monday will be joining ASU as our commencement speaker. And so a good year to remember that even the best technology still needs a capable person, a human, at the controls. In other words, as Luke Skywalker would say, AI may be powerful, but it's not the force. The force is from you. So what comes next is a different kind of journey. When you started this one, you probably had a sense of where it was going, a key question, a thesis, a finish line somewhere. The work, though, often has other ideas. Whether master's or doctoral degrees, getting the degree is not a straight line. It never is. The problem shape changes, the questions become different, the advisor pushes harder than you expect, the constraints shift, but you figure it out. That's why you're here. And what matters wasn't that everything goes according to your plan. What matters is what you become in that process. And that's the part that you'll take with you. So graduate education is unique. It teaches very important lessons. You refine models, rerun simulations, rewrite paragraphs, take another crack at an experiment that just won't cooperate. So you're getting one step closer to the result, but then you're getting to the most important thing, the work, the discipline of returning to the work again and again. And that's what ultimately matters. So the habits you develop matter because they become the foundation when the next step to take is unclear. And that will be the norm. Your path is formed one decision at a time, choices, chances, and uncertainties that come with moving forward into something new. So there will be moments when the next step isn't obvious, when staying where you are feels safer than moving forward. And it's in those moments, as our graduates, you must draw on these habits of hard work and returning to solving the problem. Trust in your preparation, trust in what you built. Now, none of this happens in isolation. What brings these lessons to life is the community that supports you. And it reminds us how important it is to take a moment to thank the community assembled here today. So I would like to begin by asking the guests of our graduates to stand and be recognized so that we can thank you. Thank you. So, one of the things that is distinguishing about the Fulton Schools is our faculty. I'd also like to recognize the members of the Fulton Schools of Engineering faculty with us today. They have been your teachers, mentors, and supporters, guiding you and challenging you through every milestone of your graduate experience. I would like to ask our faculty to please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Finally, one other group that we would like to acknowledge are our guests here today who were once in your shoes, our graduate shoes. In other words, will all the alumni of the Fulton Schools of Engineering in any of its iterations or names please stand? So thank you for supporting these graduates and being back here on campus today. At the Fulton Schools, we have asked you, our students, to connect what you know to problems that matter. It takes skill, judgment, persistence, and responsibility for the outcome. You've practiced those things here in a college large enough to offer many pathways and rigorous to remind you that expertise is built one hard problem at a time. The work will be harder than you expect. The answer won't come easily, but you go back and do it again and seek those answers and those solutions. So that habit of returning to the work will matter most than anything else. Again, congratulations, class of 2026.
The student speaker for today's ceremony is Allison McMinn. Allison is completing her PhD in electrical engineering, where her research focuses on semiconductor growth for infrared optoelectronic applications. She is a recipient of an NSF Graduate Research Fellowship and has been recognized for 4 consecutive years as an Achievement Rewards for College Scientists Scholar. After graduation, she will continue her work advancing semiconductor research as a postdoctoral fellow at the United States Air Force Research Laboratory in New Mexico. Please welcome Dr. Allison McMinn to the podium.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for setting your alarms early today to celebrate the accomplishments of us graduates. Scheduling this ceremony so early is our final way of demonstrating that engineering is really just applied caffeine. All jokes aside, welcome to the friends, family, faculty, and staff who are here to celebrate this incredible milestone with us today. Graduates, we did it. We've made it to graduation and have completed our advanced degrees after years of hard work and dedication. The same dedication that brings us all one step closer to becoming a supervillain. Think about it, Dr. Doom, Dr. Octopus, Dr. Evil. Why do so many supervillains have doctorate degrees? Maybe it's just really fun to walk around and call yourself a doctor, not speaking from experience, of course. But in all seriousness, the dedication and drive that all these supervillains demonstrate throughout their stories is the same determination that helped drive you all to reach this accomplishment today. But not every comic book character who gets an advanced degree becomes a supervillain. Think of Bruce Banner or Susan Storm. So if hard work and determination is a common thread amongst them all, what is the distinguishing factor? Community and teamwork. This is what keeps the heroes down to earth. When you look at any great story, the protagonist rarely succeeds on their own. They rely on friends and allies who support them and provide tools needed for their success. Our hero's journey through graduate school is no different. We have relied on exceptional faculty mentors who have challenged us and offered guidance to expand our technical thinking. We've leaned on our peers who have supported us, whether through research collaborations, late-night study sessions, or just being there at the end of a hard week of failed experiments. We've also benefited from the exceptional tools, staffs, and facilities here at Arizona State University. This community that we have created as graduate students here at ASU has continued to push the boundaries of innovation. Beyond ASU, we've had the unwavering support of our friends and our family, giving us the foundation to stay grounded in our goals, even when you have to explain your advanced semiconductor research as if you're growing crystal rock candy just to make it make sense. This community we have built acts like a circuit in parallel. When one piece breaks, the other branches are ready to share the load. After all, it's much like what was said in my favorite movie, the Lego Movie, everything is awesome when you're part of a team. Today, we look into a future defined by rapid technological advancements. As engineers with advanced degrees, we will not be participants in this future, but we will be the ones who get to shape it. So as we set out and seek our next adventure, I implore you all to take a moment and reflect upon the goals that you set for yourself that got you to here today. Why did you start this journey? Was it to become an expert in your field? Was it to solve problems no one else can solve? Or maybe you simply wanted to prove to yourself that you could. One of my goals was to build a stronger community in engineering, one that encouraged and supported women and would help expand the diversity in my field moving forward. Whatever your reason, do not let go of it just because you received your degree today. This degree is not the conclusion of your goals, but the foundation for what lies next. Let those principles continue to drive you forward. Pursue them to extents that you have never imagined before. You've already proven that you can achieve whatever you set your mind to just by being here today. And while people often say that the sky is the limit, that's fundamentally not true. The universe is the limit, so keep that in mind as you move forward throughout your life. Before I do my closing remarks, I want to take a few minutes to thank those who have supported me and built my community along the way. I want to thank my professor, Yongheng Zhang, who's up here on stage with me. I want to thank my committee members, Dragisa Vasilevska, Michael Gorel, and Shane Johnson, for your mentorship and guidance through the past few years. I want to thank all my friends and family for all your support. And finally, I want to thank the Society of Women Engineers, IEEE's Eta Kappa Nu, and all of ASU for giving myself and us graduates a home for the past several years. Graduates, congratulations once again for completing your degree and making it to this milestone. Today isn't the finish line, it's the starting point. Go out into the world, build your community, support each other through your pursuits, and continue to achieve what once felt impossible. Celebrate all your hard work, struggles, and successes that led to you being here today, and tomorrow, go shape the future. Thank you.
So thank you, Allison. So what we would like to next do is recognize a few of our outstanding PhD award recipients. And we will start by acknowledging this year's winner of the Pillay Outstanding Doctoral Student Award. This award was established by Professor Joe Pillay, a longtime faculty member and graduate program chair, and his wife Sandra. Their generous support through an endowment has recognized more than 20 PhD graduates with a cash award since 2003. The award is presented annually to the best graduating doctoral student in the electrical engineering program. Faculty advisors nominate graduating PhD students, and a faculty committee selects the awardee. The recipient receives a plaque and $1,000. This year's awardee is Glenn S. Uehara. Glenn. Next, we're going to recognize our 2026 Dean's Dissertation awardees. There are 5 that I will bring forward individually. The Dean's Dissertation Award honors doctoral research that embodies ASU charter and scientific discovery, engineering innovation, and use-inspired applications with the potential for major societal impact. Again, I'll invite these awardees one by one to join me on the stage. Our first Dean's Dissertation Award winner is Saraji Banerjee. So a bit about his work. Saraji earned his doctoral degree in chemical engineering under the supervision of Professor Daniel Rivera. His research applies control systems engineering to challenges in personalized health, pandemic preparedness, and sustainable agriculture. He has developed data-driven tools that help model and guide systems that are constantly changing, from a person working toward a better health to a community responding to disease spread to a bioreactor cultivating microalgae. Saraji's research has supported NIH-funded behavioral health research, NSF-funded pandemic preparedness efforts, and international research on sustainable microalgae cultivation. Congratulations, Dr. Banerjee, on your selection as a 2026 Dean's Dissertation Award winner. Our next Dean's Dissertation Award winner is Alireza Farsad. Ali earned his doctoral degree in civil, environmental, and sustainable engineering under the supervision of ASU Regents Professor Paul Westerhoff. Ali's research addresses an urgent challenge in public health, removing toxic metals from drinking water. His dissertation advanced the use of amorphous metal materials in point-of-use water filters with the goal of removing arsenic, lead, copper, and other pollutants from drinking water more effectively and affordably. Ali's work has led to 11 peer-reviewed papers and 2 US patent applications. He is also the founder of a company, Amorph H2O LLC, a startup dedicated to bringing this ASU-developed water treatment tech into use. Congratulations, Dr. Farsad, on your selection as a 2026 Dean's Dissertation Award winner. Next, our next Dean's Dissertation Award winner is Shraifan Jan. Shraifan earned his doctoral degree in electrical engineering under the supervision of Associate Professor Ahmed Al-Khatib. Shreifan's research advances next-generation wireless networks using sensing, AI, and digital twins to help communication systems better adapt to their surroundings. His doctoral work included the development of Deep Burst 6G, which is an open-source wireless digital twin dataset supporting research on future 6G systems. His work has contributed to a US patent application and earned recognition through the Meta Research PhD Fellowship and Qualcomm Innovation Fellowship. He is now a wireless research engineer at Bosch, applying his research to vehicle-integrated sensing systems. Congratulations, Dr. Jean, on your selection as a 2026 Dean's Dissertation Award winner. Our next Dean's Dissertation Award winner is Shubham Majoj Ploud. Shubham's research advances biomaterials for wound healing, tissue repair, and infection control. His PhD, under the direction of Professor Kasho Rege, and his dissertation focused on new silk-based laser-activated sealants and wound dressings designed to help close wounds, reduce inflammation, and protect against surgical site infections, including in diabetic and obese conditions. His doctoral work has contributed to 10 peer-reviewed journal publications, including several from his PhD research and 2 granted patents in bio-nanotechnology. Shubham will next begin a postdoc scientist position at UC Berkeley, where he will continue advancing biomaterials research. Congratulations, Dr. Paloud, on your selection as a 2026 Dean's Dissertation Award winner. And our final Dean's Dissertation Award winner this semester is Lili Ye. Lili earned her doctoral degree in electrical engineering under the supervision of Regents Professor Yin-Shen Lai. Lily's research brings together quantum physics, nonlinear dynamics, and machine learning to better understand and control complex physical systems. Her dissertation explored how scientists can preserve delicate quantum connections, coordinate networks of semiconductor lasers, and study emerging materials that could support future quantum technologies. Her work has led to more than a dozen publications in leading journals. Lily will continue at ASU as a postdoc, building on her work in quantum systems and machine learning. Congratulations, Dr. Ye, on your selection as a 2026 Dean's Dissertation Award winner. All right. We're nearly at the point in the ceremony where each doctoral candidate will be called by name and hooded by their advisor. This Monday, President Crow will confer degrees on our candidates at the ASU commencement. Here at today's convocation, we are recognizing the effort and achievement behind the distinguished honor of earning a PhD. As you'll see, this ritual involves a faculty member chosen by the PhD candidate, placing the doctoral hood over the candidate's shoulders to symbolize the completion of the degree. After the doctoral graduates, our master's students will receive our congratulations. Each master's student has completed 30 credit hours of advanced study beyond the bachelor's, and many have done so through our accelerated master's programs that allowed them to complete their bachelor's and master's in as little as 5 years. A quick note to all here, including our graduates, before we begin announcing the names, we insist, out of respect for the ceremony, everyone here, please do remain seated for the entire duration of the ceremony. Now to our guests, I know it's early, but when your graduate's name is called, we do invite you to celebrate. Feel free to be as loud and as creative as possible. I would like to recognize one other group before we proceed, and that is to recognize the men and women who have served our country and committed to furthering their education. Would all graduates who are currently serving or have served in any branch of our nation's military please rise? Thank you. Now, one last group. Students from around the world come to the Fulton Schools of Engineering. It takes effort, determination to pursue your education in a different country, away from family, friends, and the comforts of home. We are grateful that you have chosen to pursue your education here. I would like to next acknowledge all the international students earning their degrees today. Will all our international graduates please stand? Thank you. Okay, that was good. One question, one more time, just to get warmed up as we cross the stage. May I ask everybody assembled who is actually ready to graduate and see them graduate? All right. One final note of appreciation before we move on. We'll recognize our readers for our ceremony, Anik Petit and Christopher Johnson, who will pronounce the graduates' names as they cross the stage. Thank you, Anik and Christopher, for your dedication and commitment. As our doctoral candidates make their way to the stage, we also have a special message.
Next, we'll hear from a homegrown hero and successful businessman. He and his late wife, Mary Lou, invested $50 million into President Michael Crow's vision to transform engineering at ASU. They are the reason that we have undergraduate research, scholarships, and world-class faculty, and have become the largest engineering program in the nation with nearly 33,000 students. Dr. Fulton is not at the ceremony today, but sends his best wishes and warm congratulations to all today's graduates. And now, a word from Ira A. Fulton.
I want to talk to you about graduation. You're now alumni. Don't forget your university. We need your help continually. The average graduate today, 60% of you will stay in Arizona. 39% of you will go out to where you come from. And then to me, I think that's exciting. And what I'm saying to you is that don't forget education. And I love education. I just enjoy life. I enjoy being here tonight. I enjoy seeing you graduate. I feel very honored. You're my return on investment. Driving down here today, I says, gee, we're getting slow on the campus. We only count four cranes up. So I had to talk to Michael about getting back and getting this thing moving forward more. But it's exciting to what we have. It's exciting for what you have. I don't know what got you to select this great university and this great college, but I'm glad you did because we need you. I want to wish you nothing but the greatest. I want to thank your parents for getting you here. I want to thank for these professors putting up with you, and I love you. Thank you.
Friends, family, and guests, let's prepare to greet and congratulate the class of 2026 as they cross the stage.
Anirudh Harish Reyes, Ulises Juan Trujillo Garcia,
Sarasij Banerjee, Alili Castillo, John Anthony Lewis, Ali Reza Farsad, Rahul Mandajare Kashyap, Morgan Tividanes,
Rohan Relay,
Pranav Acharya, Sina Arefizadeh, Salwen Jaffer,
Daniil Vankov, Nilima Gita Archana Madasu,
Shuaifeng Jiang,
Allison Meredith McMinn, Lily Ye,
Kshitij Dahal,
Shubham Manoj Palod,
Audrey Campbell, Shi Lu,
Daniel Justin Rivera,
Obay Saleh Bahwal,
Nathan Stromberg,
Shema Hussein F.E. Al-Marzuki, Atafe Gilani,
Amitesh Sridharan,
Piyush Hota,
Brent Burnell Scabland,
Yitao Chen, Cody Jenkins, Jessica Rose Lee,
Kelvin Tan, Matthew Peel,
Randall Joseph Adcock,
Chi Zhang, Farshid Nazemi, Yudin Wang,
Natalia Kublik Crawford,
Arshi Patadia,
Sorayan Basubal, Minhazul Islam,
Chuan Lin,
Isaiah Edward Wall,
Shuai Feng, Nusrat Nasreen Khan, Lucas Christopher Crane,
Mohammed Sahal, Annie Nazari,
Nitish Jolly,
Shinyan Park,
Muniza Ahmad,
Yichen Yao, Sai Vineeth Penukula,
Naima Cheshomi, Yashaswini Karanth,
Dawei Wang, Abdelrahman Esameldin Bayumi Youssef, Jinal Hina Munoj Mehta,
Shivangi Jain,
Danielle Eva O'Connor, Sapthagiravasan Vadianathan, Matthew Edward Martin, Sanjay Kumar Sathish Kumar, Bryce Mulik Williams, Divya Prabhan Senthil Kumar Vembo, Diksha Prakash,
Josh Tanner Hales,
Aditi Mehul Kumar Patel,
Ulugbek Karimov,
Charles W. Thompson Jr., Iwen Wang,
Raunak Manoj Batavia, Michelle Chen,
Sai Sashank Tadivaka, Yuan Lun Ting,
Rajkumar Kasiraj, Phoebe Chang, Nitesh Raj Ashok, Yi Swan Cheng, Meenakshi Sundram Ganapathy Subramanian, Lara Nasser Krani, Surya Bhupal, Pulomi Banerjee,
Pranav Kumar Selvakumar, Shelby Rhiannon McCarthy,
Laith Adnan, Remington Cole Davis, Cameron Maricia Collins, Samuel Kayomb Kapend,
Aaron Beal Pfeiffer,
Andrew John Best, Hazem Mohammed Abu Hashish,
Marlon Amahori Rodriguez,
David Tang,
Daniel Benedict Graves,
Jackson Andrew Santos, Ethan Merritt, Francisco Mendoza,
Dante Paul Boria, Alexandra Marianne Dollar, Ethan Michael Farabee,
Abril Ramos Gutierrez, Jonathan Andrew McGill,
Connor James Cagno, Kathy Chen,
Andrew Lewis Moody II,
Chi Ting Lu, Soham Karandikar, Yuan Feng, Kabir Kaushal Chabra, Chung Hung Xie,
MD Shahinor Rashid,
Peng Lu,
Avila Martha Anmuni,
Emily Ann Leslie, Jason Correa, Spencer Alejandro Child, Emil Adishev, Creighton Zacharias Bratlin,
Alan Scaria, Sarah Manoy Tigdikar,
Oscar Hernandez Jr., Ere Bengu, Shraddha Suntosh Kulkarni,
Kos David Maddock, Kaya Rose Redman, Chloe Elizabeth Stoops, Allie Michael,
Surya Shibu Kamala Bhavanam,
Elvis Jr. Pulma, Tristan Scott Matthews, Colin Reese Whitfield,
John Cooper Crease, Alec E. Caldwell Brines, Aidan Jean Cerulo, Hannelora Louise Horak, Davis Fletcher Lake, Nathan Daniel Cross,
Pranami Jodish Kumar Vyas,
Abdullah Behmanish, Amani Mohammed Islam Kazi, Lauren Isaac,
Dishant Manish Kumar Mistry,
Caitlin Gabriela Hurtado,
Kavish Bhavesh Kumar Patel,
Merrill Delaney Carrigan,
Dirg Shailesh Kumar Shah, Faith Shelton,
Garrett Dean Combs,
Sania Hagag,
Jarek Lucas Cameron, Casey Ray Cruz,
Logan Melvin,
Leo Crabtree,
James Duncan McNabb,
Dylan Lewis Drake,
Jacob Connor Wintermute,
Muhammad Lutfi Zulfikar, Maxwell Wilson Day,
Ingrid Adela Morinigo Villan,
Matthew Fan,
Gabriela Luisa Sada, Sanjeevan Suresh Manika,
Tihiri Yasmin Su,
Kyle Jarrett Clark,
Saghar Parika Zarmeh.
Elena Rains.
Ileana Aguilar, Ruhin Garay, Sai Anvita Lola,
Let Rosas. Edward Biesi Nyansimara.
Sean Kimina,
Ryan John Meyer. Sean Michael Skinner. Sharanya Sushobita Pushkar. Micah Smith. Kalp Chetna Mehul Shah.
Susin Dahal,
Brett Van Camp. Oluwalana Emmanuel Popula.
Sarah Louise Favela,
Ronald Tafara Mandizvidza.
Emily Garcia,
Nicholas Giorgos Viala.
Richard Cleaver, Turner Sage Ewing, Sarah Cornell,
Jason Allen Hen.
Viraj Govind Patel. Robin Michelle Neal. Bill Wynn.
Axel Lee Estrella,
Martha Michael Esfeha.
Aaron Zlotsky Hoagland,
Tristan Gerard Rodriguez.
Tanisha Pritesh Janice Dalwadi, Gavin Isaac Guarino, Kalyan Kadavanti Sudhakar,
Aaron Robert Weber. Ashik Matthew Tarakin.
Kai Michael Halland,
Devansh Kishore Tank. Liam M. Nance.
Purva Deepali Pradeep Kulkarni, Ashton Ray Bialek Kling,
Priyal Manish Sajal Vasaiwala.
Dylan Jacob Clark, Uriana Baraza, Joseph Alexander Lope Silvero,
Mia Madeline Trino. Abin Vakayil Valayuda Nair.
Sion Min Sunny Kim,
Krishna Prasad Srikumar Nair. Brianna Taryn McGill. Gopika Sundari Pandiarajan Brinda. Stephen Von Overmyron. Khalid Sehak. Luke Donald Wyborn. Ana Luisa Sanchez Aldas. Manasvi Harshadbai Sutar. Michelle Charisse Tavares. Bhumi Salil Mehta. Isaac Richard Roden. Harvika Maheshpai Savani. Eileen Uyar.
Yash Haresh Bhai Bhatol,
Myra Alejandra Sanchez. Janil Ashokbhai Patel.
Ashlyn Howard, Pavan Jadhav,
Demers.
Yamik Singh Rajput. Adam E. Smith.
Sayali Ashok Akare,
Ruojia Yang.
Chandraleka Jonalagada, Jacqueline Arellano Ochoa, Venkata Pravena Gajavelli, Joel Jurado Diaz, Vijaya Malhar Gadam,
Omgirish Sheladia. Abhijit Tadapalli.
Jorge Alejandro Cajiao Coro, Chetan Borse,
Ajidit Sirik Harpalopu.
Kylie Tyler, Jorge Mesa, Adam Wong,
Dennis Loing,
Abhimanyu Sathish, Satya Narayanan, Aswin Radhakrishnan Nair,
Daniel Abasi Lim, Nathan Brodsky,
Finley Yu,
Nicholas Arango,
Jack Richards,
Trevor Gregory Kaiser Borning, Ethan Kekoa Kerr, Harshith Krishnamurthy, Sayavirup Akavarapu, Shankar Sankappa Badur,
Vishal Kumar Yanam,
Girish Bendaravadi Nagaraj,
Kasinath Somaseti,
Tongyan Kim,
Anitha Reddy Tudi,
Samantha Kwiatkowski, Anuja Karunamurthy, Josiah Truth Clevin, Tanvi Biakod, Ian Grayson Karnick, Nicholas Ian Huber, Michael Brian Darnall, Zoe Harmon, Alexander Michael James Hall,
Lahari Chala.
Evan Farrow, Venkata Sai Karthik Gopinaduni, Jaden James Lynch, Laura Lucia Gallegos Maines, Andrew Toma Doyle,
Mackenzie Amanda Steele, Parth Sarthi, Natalie Pargman,
Yen Chen Liu, Leah Rose Hendricks, Xian Yue Lin,
Shubham Saharsha Soman, Rishiraj Milindmore, Nicholas Pavlovich,
Aaron Matthew Bagast,
Apurva Vipulmeatre,
Derek Sean Baker,
Esha Mahesh Malpathak,
Andrew N. Kang, Samiksha Jain,
Siddharth Satija, Aniruddha Vinod Palaskar, Murteza Salihi,
Allison Crosno, Jose Alfredo Becerra, Cheyenne Elizabeth Cook, Darshan Naina Anil Jethva, Ethan Jones, Orvi Deepak Bajaj, Nathan Paul Irish,
Harsh Ramanik Shah,
Jeremy Paul Kraus,
Rishi Nikunj Kumar Shah,
Zachary James Kraus,
Abhijit Patel, Dhananjay Narang, Bhave Pareshbi Patel, Nicholas A. Marta,
Parikshit Ganesh Jadav,
Baumik Hitesh Thakur,
Tanushri Jivarajbhai Gorasia, Vedangi Nilesh Gupte,
Mugdha Patil,
Oti Asenzi,
Indrani Praharaju, Mackenzie Elise Schmader,
Dharmesh Vasram Chowdhury, Jimmy Jr. Hanashian,
Ashlesha Kiran Patil,
Riken Konar Deezes, Shubham Rajendra Dalvi, Shivraj Chandrakant Chavan,
Utkarsh Panchal,
Justin Gruber,
Colin Andrew Shannon,
Sai Grishma S.V. Basikala,
Sean Kalani Partido McClure,
Jacob Andrew Cope, Jeremy Gonzaga,
Amro Obeid, Leonardo Fabian Martinez, Shrenik Bialia Shanti Prasad, Stephen Thomas Neander Henson, Zachary James Terzini, Cassandra Marie Thompson,
Victoria Selena Armenta, Shri Harish J. Sankar,
Joy Luis Ponce,
Rashika Ganesan,
Abel Zambrano Ortega, Ajay Shugan Sadagopan,
Bhargavi Lukalapu, Lohith Komeneni,
Mahesh Chandra Yakamaneni,
Rama Krishna Reddy Kari, Manvita Kumar Reddy, Vedant Shirish Kati, Camille Elise Shalifu, Pratik Naineshwar Kale, Kaylee Jean Hedrick,
Deveshri Mona Mohile,
Yajor Dubey,
Shailesh Vijaya Murugan, Soumya Soni,
Colleen Jane Gately,
Atharva Sharma, Rashad Ahmad,
Anna Elise Bethke, Annie Kanjana,
Shreya Tripathi, Ujwala Naidu Rakapalli,
Brock Jerkak,
Kirtan Kumar Arvind Bhai Thumar,
Nikhil Kunjor,
Shubham Tiwari, Ayushman Mishra,
Anshula Bali,
Michelle Christophany,
Special Armstrong Benjamin,
Rashwant Prasad SV, Lakshmi Bai Shankanaran Aradi Durga Prasad Naik, Taylor Danielle Young, Aditya Anil Kumar Yalamali, Brijay Santosh Shetty,
Abhishek Dilip Kargutkar,
Subiksha Shanmugam, Ryan Uppen, Shri Gauri Harini Pasumarti,
Radu Mihai Yosifescu, Devat Barot,
Pooja Ravikumar, Prutyanjay Jatindra Shinde,
Emmanuel Raja Nicholas Mani,
Navaya Sri Sudanedi, Sravana Kumar Satish,
Hima Shri Chalasani,
Abhishek Mahendran,
Charnel Gleen,
Rudra Amit Kumar Patel, Akash Shivamurthy,
Smitlad,
Sana Tumesha,
Utsav Amrish Joshi,
Vinod Krishna Ravisankar, Akash Selva Baskar, Sanjana Mohan, Sahana Saravanakumar, Deshek Raj, Shriniketh Purisai Ramanujam, Srusti Sudhakar,
Edwin Omar Ibarra Maldonado,
Naren Shivaram, Sahaj Manish Kumar Shah, Julia Sturm, Sid Umankumar Patel,
Anu George, Vaishnavi Nandini Santosh Bahirat,
Purnima Pawar, Sneha Shubham Pesole, Darshana Reddy Ramesh,
Shreya Rajesh Jagtap, Jacob Brandt Eaton, Pooja Kiran, Claire K. Ellis,
Sudarshan Reddy Siddhavatam, Benjamin Martin, Anish Verma, Khalid Aziz Syed,
Ashley Taylor Cusbel, Sai Charan Kovuru,
Oski Mohammed Cruz Osiguera,
Digmandar Dhanashri Pramod Kumar Kawadkar,
Mark Dominic Masiello,
Yash Anil Kelzare, David Garcia, Bhavya Yasraj Rajendra Chowda, Harika Bandela,
Hitesh Paluvadi, Pavana Malikanti, Amit Kumar Singh, Sasya Thangalapalli, Sakan Yoon, Tejaswi Reddy Palakala, Bhuvaneswar Reddy Yarasi, Janardhan Gupta Sugala,
Gaurav Jignesh Desai,
Lakshmi Sagar Samayam, Aniruddha Rao Malila, Deepak Sarupuri,
Sumati Pradnya Rajendra Khatri, Surendranad Chowdhury Garimella, Pratham Ankush Pilare,
Yashika Paharia, Surrender Padipala, Avantika Archana Bharat Patil, Kishore Arvind Raja, Sabrina Alexandra Rossiriki, Durga Sampath Kumar Tendal, Idali Reyes Nevarez,
Jethin Biagari,
Hugh Tai Train Wen, Satvika Matam,
Derek James Vrachowski,
Yogesh Kumar Alambara Dinesh,
Damian Orozco, Sunjana Paranjape,
Eduardo Avila Molina, Shrutika Sandesh Jaibaye, Natalie Elise Bamer, Pavan Kalyan Anumula,
Archana Raj Pudaraju, Hemant Sai Kumar Pandrangi, Sumyojit Nag,
Abdul Rahman Amin Khalil,
Arian Vyas, Manjusri Sridhara, Vishnu Kiran Prakashan,
Prathisha Damodar,
Masumi Patel, Sri Ranjani Ramesh Vashishta, Anurag Samudrala,
Prajwal Anand, Hali Gautam Amin,
Sushma Niresh, Zui Hu Win, Maharshi Tushar Shukla, Yashwant Gowda,
Gaurav Kanduri,
Keita Namatame,
Vamsi Krishna Kurakalva,
Ming Zongan Yi,
Surjit Madhavan, Tanner D. Pack, Peter Witters, Ryan Renwick, Ashutosh Pranjal,
Espen Keegan Magnus Augstam, Bhavegna Shreya Bandaru, Taylor Michael Foster, Arya Janon Paniker,
Emily Christine Summers,
Ruben Kukar,
Minerva Siddharthan Prabhu, Kavya Paran Singh Negi, Vasant Prabhahar,
Suman Verappa Gudigiri, Anudep Aniseti,
Vaibhav Saini, Sudeep Joel Maguluri,
Natalie Carlson,
Muni Sandeep Kumar Ravila.
Prachi Chidanand Kaladeep.
Jait Hitendra Kumar Patel.
Vasanti Kadu.
Jay Bhavik Patel. Sharon Kamar Magili.
Meet Kumar Prafulbhai Chapla.
Himastre Upaluri Venkata Shyamala. Asta Shailesh Kumar Patel.
Satvika Kankanala. Shubh Shailesh Bey Bikadia.
Nikita Velugoti. Aditya Ketanbai Modi.
Sai Chandni Chelakumar.
Hital Nimje. Sai Ganapathy Swaminathan. Sanjana Harisai Produturu. Sahil Ashok Mane. Parul Patil.
Lakshmi Satya Harika Kohli. Muayyad Alamadi. Sai Divya Reddy Ali. Saeed Abdullah bin Mahfouz.
Disha Saha.
Nicholas Jack Curtis. Sarang Ganesh Jaiswal.
Minju Yu.
Seba Nasser Alawadi. Sneha Chitra Chandrasekaran Swami Naidu.
Yogesh Yadav.
Alap Paragbai Doshi. Vishwa Paraghai Doshi.
Harsh Kaushal Tejal Shah. Vaibhav Shinde. Darshil Bindu Ashish Shah. Arindam Srivastava. Sridhar Uvaneswaran.
Shraddha Suntosh Gawate.
Ketki Santosh Savant. Soham Vijay Raurani.
Kimberly Desu. Sunil Gurung. Utkarsh Shubhada Nitin Kasar. Malak El Hilali. Shriya Ashish Lade. Rakshitha Bangalore Ravishankar.
Mrunmai Makrand Mangoli. Prarthana Thatpurusha.
Pranav Bhumesh Lolam.
Navnitha Rajan. Archit Abhay Raut. Harsh Rashmikant Shah.
Aniket Sonil Desale.
Caitlin Lyons.
Karin Amelia Vasquez Carrasco. Aditya Venkata Sheshu. Faris Renka. Sudamshu S. Rao. Krishna Rani. Shreya Santosh Mat.
Archie Agrawal. Rakshan Ravindra Kulkarni.
Jamin Shah.
Sujay Gururaj Hebali.
Shivam Mishra.
Sachi Srinivas Bhiman Palli. Tejas Gopal Kabra.
Kshitij Sahu.
Veena Ingaleshwar. Ria Susan John. Janhavi Anand Chavan. Kumuda Gandhi. Shreyas Awadut Gosavi.
Ivan Tena.
Maria Jasim Mohammed.
Sanjana Mahantesh Sobarad.
Samuel Fletcher.
Ami Milind Kumar Raval. Kaustub Savalla. Om Milind Kumar Raval. Varsha Pichika.
Vishavjit Singh Kinda.
Naimisha Munangi. Kanav Prashar. Pranavi Mamidi.
Varad Ashutosh Jahagirdar. Swapnika Shri Allah.
Harshini Vade.
Satvika Gumadvali.
Vijay Raj Sriram Sathanandan.
Akanksha Vinegat. Josiah Varghese Thomas. Maheshwari Mudabasavaraju.
Adesh Chandrasekhar.
Aishwarya. Priyanka Ashwini Prakash Uttarkar.
Dana Sai Teja Apata. Vernit Lena Shamsundar Bateja.
Ashish Rajapuram.
Saketh Vardhan Kalashikam. Shrija Gogineni. Manish Gandra.
Anastasia Mlainik.
Abhishek Gupta Parapalli. Ethan Chenwei Wang.
Alex Bean.
Pratik Modamari.
Jaime Favela.
Sai Pomina Lingala.
Bhavani Malhotra.
Vijay Ganapado Patil.
Roshita Sunil Chandandavi.
Revanth Uday Karanth. Yashaswini Inala.
Pranitha Nekanti.
Debalina Chakraborty. Sagar Ambar Jadav. Vidya Balaji. Lankesh Gauda Budanur Swami. Rahini Kopolu.
Pramukh Vanagadu Rajendra Kumar.
Esteban Chacon. Krishna Garageshwara Prapulakandra. Noah Rogero De Caro. Sohasi Kintali.
Ria Bharat Kumar Patel.
Anvesh Kumar Vona.
Harshita Gauda Rajkumar.
Najendra Pavan Babu Bali. Vibhuti Shobha Kiran Dangat.
Haritha Sridhar. Twinkle Ujvala Amar Pardhe.
Akrita Kanakaraj. Vaibhav Babasaheb Doifod.
Naveen Mayatevar.
Pratik Reddy Chiluka. Niranjan Krishnan Jayaprakash Narayanan.
J. Deepak Soni.
Akash Kumar Dinesh Kumar. Mihir Gujarati. Balaji Giwini Vijaya Bhaskar.
Erin Elizabeth Russell Mann.
Harish Kumar Loganathan. Emma Alyssa Buxton.
Ashvin Saranjeevi Tangamuttu. Malhar Piyush Pai Prajapati.
Nitish Kumar Gopukumar.
Ariel Marbebe Ponce. Pavitra Mida. Shashank Suresh Nair.
Pranish Erode Sampath Kumaran. Krishnavini Doki.
Yeshwant Sai Ralapali Kamesh. Anjali Anil Noteni.
Lokesh Danasekaran. Purvaja Sunil Borkar. Samudyata Sudarshan Jagirdar.
Nicholas Pilgrim.
Avantika Suresh.
Sai Nikitha Anamdasu. Gorang Shivaji Jadhav.
Sai Naga Sahas Kiran Mata.
Alan Gerald Kirubakaran. Rohan Siddharth Kandukuri.
Lakshma Naidu Thota.
Sushma Bandi.
Lajapathy Rai Patnena.
Tushar Sridhar Thorat.
Kiran Chand Yelameli. Kavya Venkatesh Babu.
Shriram Narendra Alandkar, Lakshmi Nishavitha Amirthalingam Ganesh Rajan,
Venkatesh Reddy Panganur, Jayesh Krishnamurthy Naidu, Yua Wu, Arya Girish Pawar, Yogesh Pradeep Salvi,
Mukteshwar Chintha,
Aditya Sakardande,
Pradeep Kalathuru,
Harish Velu,
Vivekananda Reddy Kota, Joe Lillian Joseph,
Devika Shaj Kumar Nair,
Sanjay Kartikeyan,
Nityashri Narasimhamurthy,
Monish Jnana Shanmuga Bhaskaran, Chaitanya Firenkumar Dubal,
Mitul Sudarsan Ravikumar, Hitenshu Ashish Kumar Patel, Aditya Nagtilak, Prarthana Ankur Kumar Patel, Sesha Amathan Namasivayam, Shuchi Satish Kumar Patel, Aditya Sitharaman, Dhruvi Dinesh Kumar Patel, Honoris Nancy Rajasakar,
Siem Samuel Habtemariam,
Adarsh Parameshwar Vaithish Kumar,
Sashank Kali,
Yogesh Sundararaman, Athurva Sanjay Thengadi,
Dhakaram Kadaria,
Avi Ajit Thumar,
Muhammad Salam Al Juhef, Venkat Kutva Satyamurthy Eswarlal, Ibrahim Salem Al Jehef,
Nimish Dhananjay Pachchapurkar,
Bhawini Kumar, Kshitij Agrawal,
Kruthi Mohan Tambanda, Mahima Negi, Nikhil Nataraja Gowda, Sreya Suresh, Chi Hao Tsai, Nidhi Jashwantbhai Mehta, Yen Che Pung, Rajeswari Jayakumar,
Ting Wei Huang,
Ayan Deep Fukan, Wei Xiang Wang, Omdevzin Yashpal Sinzala, Yu Xuan Peng,
Tendaishi Munetsiva,
Swapnil Dilip Patil,
Garikayan Nikoraja,
Kaushik Kolur,
Shubham Marathe,
Megal Suchita Subhash Goilkar,
Komal Bandi,
Akanksha Sunitra Sunil Ambi,
Shashank Anjan Varma Yenuka, Satya Abhishek Reddy Nalamili, Deva Siva Kant Tavala, Kamalesh Reddy Nalamili, Srashti Ravindra Patil, Mohideen Velak Mohammed, Samiksha Balu Patil, Nivedita Posani,
Smruti Sanjay Kumar Korke, Tejas Gundala Ravi,
Anchal Deepak Nagdev, Zui Long Win,
Manish Durgude,
Tien Hu Huin,
Atharva Shrikant Rukar,
Pei Chun Chen,
Shubham Shah, Durupad Snehaloza,
Manish Reddy Devara, Anudeep Sai Gotapu,
Bharathi Rayapati,
Michael Elwood Anderson,
Manesh Kumar Reddy Ponapati, Shirsha Nampali,
Sai Sravya Hanumanthakari,
Angelina Telidavara, Gokulaswar Reddy Muli, Krishna Mohan Yelumahanti,
Arun Pal Bomaji,
Sheikh Abdul Majid,
Shrija Reddy Madarla,
Jafar F. Al-Shamari, Siddhanth Jain, Mahitha Reddy Alam, Ganavi Hemachandra, Ruta Kothari, Sainaga Sahidhi Kalidindi, Chinmayi Ganthakoru, Sindhuja Aluri,
Shiva Tichazwi Akem,
Priyanka Reddy Melareddy,
Sneharika Akula,
Vijay Kumar Tavishi,
Pranay Kumar Hadi Jidipali,
Animesh Shravan Mishra, Sunil Poturaju, Sieda Samira Sama, Abhinuv Nathari,
Sahit Kotagiri,
Sai Manoj Visavajula, Nishu Kumari Singh, Lasya Vadala,
Supriya Dasari, Sandhya Adavikolanu,
Ryan Tyler Mitchell,
Rajya Lakshmi Kota,
Toma Tanaguchi, Vamshi Priya Madikara, Avishka Reddy Mote, Vamsi Yaramasu, Rajiv Reddy Perumalla, Ajit Sivakumar,
Vishwajith Reddy Kunchala, Samir Sunil Kadi,
Krathik Reddy Purumandla, Apar Saroj,
Chetan Jona Lagada,
Drumil Ajay Kumar Shah, Surjeth Singh Nagasapu, Mitesh Sudhakar Sonavne,
Chaitanya Lingam, Yurikar,
Gnana Prasanna Ravula,
Bharat Chanaviraya Hiremat, Vinay Surya Prakash Donka, Abhi Anil Bharadwaj,
Pradnya Pravin Shinde, Sirul Benoy Skaria, Muhammad Sahal Nazir, Swapnil Sunil Mashram, Khalid Mohammed Subair,
Anjali Ajay Jagtap,
Janali Jayesh Kumar Raval, Yasmin Salim Shaikh,
Gautami Godapanavar,
Niharika Gauri Raghunath, Dhruv Jignesh Pai Patel,
Akash Kiran Korada, Hate Mitesh Kumar Desai, Dhanraj Krishnamurthy, Harnish Viren Dev, Shravya Arsikere Umesh,
Shriya Rajesh Patel,
Prabith Roy Gali Siddha,
Anuj Mahesh Kumar Patel, Purvi Shanta,
Matib Al-Kahtani,
J. Anilbai Patel, Satyarth Gunamotupali,
Amber Marie Lee,
Brit Boyko,
We have one more grad. I I was able to get into Canvas. It turns out Sparky made it.
Sparky the Sun Devil.
All graduates, please rise. Congratulations to the class of 2026. One more time, with feeling. Let's congratulate the class of 2026.
So congratulations again. For our graduates, you only have 2 remaining assignments. They are the same at every convocation. First, do stay in touch. When you go on and do something amazing, and you will, let us know. We'll celebrate with you and we will make you famous. Second, most importantly, pay it forward. You had help getting here. Be on the lookout for opportunities to do the same for someone else. They will be grateful. It's how we can continue to evolve and advance. So that concludes our ceremony. Before we exit, a few final instructions to make sure we don't lose anybody on the way out. The platform party will stand and we will exit first. Grads, please remain where you are until the platform party has reached the tunnel. For our master's graduates, and only our master's graduates, please collect your diploma covers as you exit the tunnel. A quick reminder to all of our guests, again, thank you for being here. Please meet your graduates outside the arena. So thank you. It's been terrific. Have a great weekend. Celebrate, enjoy, be safe. One more thing. Go Devils.
Thank you for attending today's Convocation ceremony at Desert Financial Arena. Please begin making your way towards the nearest exit. Floor access is restricted to graduates, working staff, and essential personnel. At the close of today's ceremony, we ask that for your safety and the safety of everyone, you meet your graduate outside the venue at a pre-designated area away from the building. On behalf of Arizona State University, congratulations, graduates. you for attending today's Convocation ceremony at Desert Financial Arena. The arena will be closing in 10 minutes. Please begin making your way towards the nearest exit. Floor access is restricted to graduates, working staff, and essential personnel. At the close of today's ceremony, we ask that for your safety and the safety of everyone, you meet your graduate outside the venue at a pre-designated area away from the building. On behalf of Arizona State University, congratulations, graduates.